Welcome to episode 3 ng ating bar series. This time gagawa tayo ng brownies. If you're familiar with Becky's Kitchen, ito yung inspiration niya. Yung gooey, parang underbaked, super moist yung loob. And this is oil-based, hindi butter yung gagamitin natin. And na-adjust ko na yung sweetness nito, talagang hindi siya matamis. Yung ating pan na gagamitin, 7x7, may parchment paper. Simulan natin sa ating bowl, maglagay tayo ng 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup ng powdered sugar, 3/4 cup ng all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, half cup ng canola oil, 2 tablespoons of water, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then chocolate chips, half cup ng chocolate chips. And then i-mix lang natin until well combined. Habang hinahalo ko, sabi ko, ba't parang hindi kulay brownies? So nakalimutan ko lagyan natin ng cocoa powder, 2/3 cup ng cocoa powder. Kasi guys, pangatlong shoot ko na to for today. Kulay brownies na siya. So ituloy natin yung mixing. Okay, mix lang natin yung side ng bowl. And then, transfer natin sa ating baking pan. Lagyan natin ng design. Dito, chocolate chips, pistachio, walnuts, cashew, and meron tayong almonds. Actually, ngayon ko lang ito naisip. Gagawin ko sana pa ganyan para madaling hatiin. Pero why not lagyan natin ang design? Now, aside dito sa toppings na ginawa natin, pwede nyo incorporate yung mga nut, ihalo nyo together with the brownie batter. So, eto na siya, ibibake na natin. Same temperature lang tayo lahat ng bars na gagawin natin at 175 degrees Celsius. And we bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. Eto na, bake na yung ating brownies. Actually, ang ganda niya. Maganda siyang pambenta or pang-gift. Slice na natin, guys. Tikman na natin, guys. It's super moist na didikit sa ngalangalan nyo. And definitely hindi siya matamis, guys. Promise. Ito ang test ng isang moist brownies. Pag pinrest nyo siya, hindi na siya magbabounce back. Ganyan na siya. Ang sarap. This is definitely one of the best brownies na na-bake ko. For sure, pag ginawa nyo to and pinangregalo nyo, matutuwa sa inyo yung pagbibigyan nyo. Alright, so yun lang ang ating video for today. Abangan nyo pa. Marami pa tayong gagawin dito sa ating bar series. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye, guys.